Hey guys, my name is Dr. Jared, Bright Life Chiropractic here in Savannah. And a lot of people say, hey, I've been to a chiropractor. I don't want anybody twisting and cracking on my neck or back. Well, you know what? Rest assured, we don't do all the twisting and cracking like the traditional chiropractors. We do what's called specific scientific chiropractic care, where we actually get to the root cause and we can address the individual segment without any twisting and cracking. This technique has allowed us to have fast results in less amount of time, and we'd love the opportunity to serve you in our office. Give us a call at 912-777-3717.